Hey guys, it's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today I'm going to be making sugar scrubs. So this is one of the scrubs I made today: coconut lime verbena, cucumber melon, and I make lots of home and body and like home recipes, and this is one of my very favorite things that I make. So I wanted to go ahead and give y'all my recipe and show you how I make it exactly so you can make it for yourself. I do fancy packaging and I sell it on Etsy, but you can make it too. So let's get started. So the most important thing in the sugar scrub is, of course, sugar. Sugar is a humectant, and it actually helps draw moisture into your skin. So we want the sugar in there, and it's a wonderful exfoliant because it's not too strong and gritty. Now I have 2 more exfoliants I put in there. If you don't have these things on hand, just skip them and just do sugar. Pumice, and it's very hard to see. I kind of put them in my own containers, and clay. Bentonite clay, kaolin clay. If you have any clay on hand, I kind of like clay in my sugar scrub because it makes it like even softer and silkier, and I feel like the clay makes it so you can use it every single day. Clay is amazing. Bentonite clay especially, but clay in general is amazing at pulling toxicity out of your skin. A lot of these clays, you can eat them oily, or you can put them on your skin. The pumice is volcanic ash. I use this in some of my soaps. This is what I use in soaps to make them have the exfoliant. So I have a big thing of pumice. If you don't have this on hand, just skip the pumice. Okay, so the next thing you want to put in your sugar scrub is oil. Now, my very favorite oil right now is, well, actually I have about 10 favorites, but virgin rosehip seed oil is one of my favorites. I just put a little bit in there. Now you're not going to probably know most of these oils. You can use argan oil if you have that on hand. So this one is moringa oil. This is good for acne, hair, irritation, any kind of skin irritation, or scrapes, bruises. Moringa oil is amazing for that. Karanja oil is the one I'm using right now. If you don't have karanja oil, hemp oil is a really good one. A lot of people now have cold pressed hemp oil in their pantries, and that's a good one. So is because when you're keto, your Charlie horses, like your body will tell you if you're low on magnesium. Your eye will twitch all the time. You'll get Charlie horses. The reason I started making the sugar scrub is I was trying to figure out a good way to get this into my girls. Magnesium oil. So magnesium is something that almost everyone on the earth is deficient in because of the soil. We've stripped the soil of some of the good. So I've had to supplement with magnesium. I had to do it with all 5 pregnancies. I was very magnesium deficient to the point of extreme Charlie horses for 30 minutes. I tried every magnesium, chelate, and all those that they say, oh, your body's absorbing it. Well, I still will get those Charlie horses. I was absolutely desperate, and so I got this product. Okay, so change of scenery. We're on vacation, and I'm editing the video and realized I forgot a clip. So I'm going to put a picture up above of the Calm, because Calm is what saved my life when I was pregnant. For me, I know it gives a lot of people diarrhea. For me, it was magic because I tried magnesium pills. I tried magnesium prescription pills from Africa, which a friend of mine had brought home to me. Those actually worked pretty well. But then once I got my hands on Calm, the Calm is finally what my body seemed to absorb, and I stopped having Charlie horses, and I stopped having eye twitches. Now this was during my pregnancy when I was so magnesium deficient. And then I came into finding the magnesium oil. Now the thing about the oil is if you spray it on your body, that our body is not
doing its normal processes very well. So love, love, love the magnesium oil. It actually works better than Calm, and I don't have to make a drink every day and ups in the middle of the night, or PMS, or whatever your magnesium deficiency issues are. That's a problem. And so that's when I kind of came into the next step, which was finding the magnesium oil. So magnesium does a magnificent job when it comes through your skin. When you spray it on your skin, you absorb magnesium twice the fast. I mean, it's so fast. The absorption rate, the being able to process it, I don't know what it is, but your skin just loves the magnesium oil. Spray it on your feet at night. Some people will spray it on their feet, put their socks on, and the magnesium oil will just kind of soak up and go on their system. The only thing about the magnesium oil in spraying on your body is it's kind of sticky. It's kind of like sea salt water. Some people just don't care. They're feeling so good when they spray it on their body. They miss themselves. They'll do their chest, which is great. And it's the cheapest way to get magnesium. Anytime you do Calm or pills, that's your most expensive way you're going to get the magnesium in your body. If you go to Swanson and you get that huge thing of magnesium oil and put it in just generic spray bottles from the dollar store, now you're getting that magnesium for cheap. I just figured out how to kill several birds with one stone. I love sugar scrub, and I love like oils, because a lot of oils, that like hemp oil, has this tremendous amount of vitamins in it as well. So I'm able to put my magnesium and my hemp oil, or whatever oils you choose. Just a personal note, I don't really recommend coconut oil in my body products. And the reason is coconut oil is very high in lauric acid, and it's very drying. And I find that I'm doing this sugar, replenishing my oils at the same time. I want to feel pampered. Olive oil, everyone's going to have olive oil on hand. I don't love it for body products, and the reason is it's actually not as non-comedogenic as some of the other oils. So it can clog pores, and it's oils that are so good for your skin, your hair, your nails. People are trying to eat it, put it on their skin. So this is a good way for you to get your hemp oil on your skin. I can't say enough about it. I had someone who had extreme back pain, was considering surgery, just had this one place in her back that just was kind of kinked, and she took some of that magnesium oil and just had someone spray it on her back 2 times, and that pain went away. So before you do surgery, before you do something really expensive and medical, consider taking magnesium and seeing if it's just a magnesium deficiency, because our bodies are just amazing, and this is one just element that's just missing. It's just a missing element. And anyway, I'm so excited about this scrub. I'm so excited to give y'all the recipe, because I feel like I kind of stumbled onto this for our family, and I want to share it with you, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get started. Let's make some sugar scrub with magnesium oil. If yours is too dry, add oil. Mine a lot of times is too oily. So what I'll do is just take a couple of tablespoons of sugar and just put it on top and stir it back in. And that'll make it just the right consistency. So anyway, good luck on that. Hope y'all get your magnesium fix and your sugar scrub fix and fragrance fix and your oil fix all at the same time, and enjoy the scrub as much as we do. Have a great day.